Hello guys, in this tutorial we will create this gear. So let's start. Now we will go for the new sketch. So select the new sketch, select the part, just click on OK. Now we have to go to the first the sketch. So for that, click on the sketch, select the center circle and select here the right plane. Go to the normal to the plane and draw one circle. Go to the dimension, give the dimension of the circle is 32 mm. So just put here 32 and click on OK. Now exit the sketch, go to the features and select here extrude boss base and select here the mid plane and put here the depth of this extruded. Now we'll make the way for that. Select the face of this object, go to the sketch and select the center circle, go to the draw here circle, the 10 mm. So give the dimensions of the circle, put here 10, just click on OK. Now we have to draw here one rectangle. So for that, select the center rectangle, just click on this small arrow and select here the center rectangle, drag the center point like that and draw here one rectangle. To the dimension of this rectangle, the length of this rectangle is 2 mm for both the side. To the dimension of this rectangle, click on OK. Now we have to trim the unwanted portion. So for that, we will use this trim entities command and remove this unwanted. Click on OK. Now we have to cut this portion. So for that, go to the feature. We will use here the extrude cut command. Just click on extrude cut. Select here to all. Just click on OK. Now we'll remove some material for the lightweight of this gear. So for that, select this face of this object, go to the sketch, select the circle and draw here two circle, give the dimensions, so click the smart dimensions. This one is 25 mm, the smaller one is 15 mm. Now we have to cut this portion. So for that, go to the feature, select the extrude cut and we have to cut this portion up to the 3 mm. So just put here 3 mm and click on OK. Like, like same this, we have to create this opposite side. So for that, use here the mirror command. select here the plane. So we'll choose here the right plane and select the command which we have to mirror for the opposite side. Select here the extrude cut. Just click on OK. Yes, you can see. Now we have to make a teeth. So for that, uh, select this face. Go to the normal plane. Go to the sketch. So first we will draw here one center line. So for that, click on this arrow and select here the center line. Drag the midpoint and draw here one center line. And again draw here one horizontal line also. Now we have to give the dimensions of this line. So for that, go to the smart dimensions and give the dimension of this horizontal line is 0.5 mm. Just put here 0.5 and click on OK. And now we'll give also the dimension of this vertical line. So just select this center point and this point and give the dimensions of this one is 13.6. Just click on OK. Now we have to draw here on sketch. So for that, select this 3-point arc. Select this first point, this end point, and click here like that, center. Okay. Now we have to give the dimension of this arc. So for that, click on the smart dimensions and give the dimensions of this arc. So this distance is 1.58. Just put here 1.58 and click on OK. Now give the another dimension. So for that, again select the smart dimension. Select this end point and this first point and give the dimensions of this one is 3.28. So just put here 3.28 and click on OK. Now give the radius of this arc. So for that, click on smart dimension and select this arc. Give the dimension of this arc is 4.56. Just click on OK. Now same sketch on the another side. So for that, use here the mirror command. So click on this mirror entities. So we have to just click on this arc, this horizontal line. Select here this middle line as a reference line. Just click on OK. Now we have to close this sketch. So for that, use here this 3-point arc. Select this point on the arc and this point and click anywhere like that and give the dimensions of this arc. The radius is 18 mm, so just click on the 18 and put here 18 and click on OK. Now after that we have to give here fillet of 0.3 mm. So for that select here the fillet and put here 0.3 on OK. Select this line and this line on OK and same this side also. Just click on yes. Exit the sketch. Now we have to cut this sketch. So for that go to the feature, select here extrude cut and click here up to the through all. Just click on OK. Now we have to make here the like that 30 pattern. So for that we'll use here this pattern command. So just click here, choose here the circular pattern. Select the direction. So give the direction of select any circle, this one, and just put here the 30. Select here the features. So select this cut feature. Just click on OK. Yes, you can see gear is ready. Thank you guys.